The Dharmasthala mass burial case in Karnataka has now taken a dramatic turn with the special investigative team, the SIT now in Karnataka, carrying out excavations at sites identified by that whistleblower. You see on our screens in that hoodie, his identity of course covered. SIT started to look into one of those 13 spots that has been marked by that man who claims that he has buried or cremated bodies during his time as a sanitation worker at the Dharmasthala temple. So far, 3 sites have been excavated, including one near Netravati River's bathing ghat, but no human remains have been found yet. Intermittent rains also delaying the entire digging process, and efforts have been stalled because of water in those pits. But excavations are expected to continue at all the remaining 10 locations in the coming days. The investigation began after the whistleblower, his identity, as I said, protected, approached a local court with what he said were skeletal remains of victims that he had buried. He claims that he worked at the Dharmasthala temple from 1995 to 2014 and was forced to dispose of the bodies of women and girls who had been sexually assaulted and murdered. These are his words in his complaint. According to his complaint, he claims that he was threatened. When he refused to do it, he was threatened and beaten for refusing to do so, and therefore he carried on for that many years. He says he buried hundreds of bodies over nearly 2 decades before fleeing with his family in 2014 due to mental trauma. In his statement, this whistleblower describes finding naked or semi-naked bodies by the riverbank, many showing signs of violence, torn clothes, acid burns, injuries. In fact, the whistleblower's lawyer has spoken, saying that this is an unprecedented case where the witness has come forward not only with his testimony, but also showing physical evidence to court. The FIR was registered on the 4th of July and the SIT was formed on the 19th of July. Now, SIT has been formed under DGP Pranab Mohanty. Over the years, several women and girls were reported missing or found dead around Dharmasthala. But apparently, as per reports from the ground, we hear that these cases were either allegedly ignored or were never properly investigated or probed. Temple authorities have very clearly said that they support a fair and a transparent probe into this case. For now, no remains have been recovered. Those are images there of showing how SIT is going forward with the excavation along with the whistleblower. Nothing has been found as yet. 10 more sites are left to be searched. Investigation is far from over. Listen in.
ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳದ SIT ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಅದು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ ವರದಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆನಂತರ ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದೇ ವಿನಃ ಈ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೇ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.